Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this vid. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be talking about my experience on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and it's been an amazing one. But before I get to that, I wanted to get one area out of the way. And once I'm done talking about it, I really don't want to talk about it anymore. So let's just get it out. And then I'm going to go over to that desk. I'm going to have my S20 Ultra in hand, and I'll be shooting that part of the video with the LG-V20. Right now, I'm actually shooting with the S20 Ultra, so you can let me know how everything looks and how everything sounds. So I wanted to talk about the autofocus issue that's been going on with the S20 Ultra. This video is not about the S20, and it's not about the S20 Plus. It's about the S20 Ultra. So if you want to know any information about those other devices, you're going to have to go watch a different video. So back to that one area, autofocus issues while taking pics, shooting video. Yes, there is an issue. Yes, we're waiting for software updates to better our experience when taking pics and shooting video. Now for me, it's been very minimal, but I shoot a different type of video and I take a different type of pic. Now, there's a group of you that picked up this specific device and have returned it, sold it, whatever, it's no longer with you. And there's some of you like me who have decided to hang on to your S20 Ultra and, well, wait for Samsung to kick out either one or two more, whatever it takes to get this situation taken care of. Yes, I understand, 1,400 smacks. That's a lot of money. The issues that any smartphone have, and for what you're paying, you're hoping are going to be minimal. And that the company that you purchased that smartphone from, well, will at least do their part and give you the updates that you need to better your experience. So yeah, I get it, $1,400. It shouldn't be there. Now, I don't walk in your footsteps, but in my own, with the S20 Ultra, it's been minimal and it's been a great experience. I have no regrets bringing in my S20 Ultra. For those of you that were considering buying this specific device but have changed your mind, why don't you wait till all the updates come out? And I'm hoping it's just one, but if it needs 2, 3, I don't care. Let's get them. Let's change the behavior of that area. So for those of you who have been waiting patiently, can enjoy your $1,400 smartphone. Now, I don't know if you paid all of that money outright. I don't know if you traded in a device like I did over at the Samsung website or you went through your carrier. But either way, let's get that taken care of. And for those of you that no longer have the device, well, then this video isn't for you. But for those of us that still have the S20 Ultra, I'm sure there's a reason why you hung on to it. And that's probably because you are having a great experience. And that's what's giving you the want to wait and be patient for the software updates. But again, if you're considering it, stay tuned. So let's go over there, get a hands-on so I can share my experience with my S20 Ultra. Right out of the gate, I want to talk a little bit about connectivity, which I feel is a very important, crucial area that has to be there. That's got to be checked off. Connectivity. T-Mobile, huge shout out to them. Not perfect, but overall, thumbs up. Since bringing in the S20 Ultra a little over a month ago, I've had no problems making phone calls, receiving phone calls, messaging, going out, coming in, all of that working on my S20 Ultra, because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how beautiful this AMOLED display is. It doesn't matter how beautiful the device looks, which is gorgeous, man. I'm totally digging the aesthetic look. It doesn't matter what kind of audio quality I'm getting from these dual speakers when listening to music, watching videos, movies, performance, functionality, battery, all those areas that the S20 Ultra is killing it in, the kind of picture quality, video quality that I'm getting. But if I'm not able to make a phone call, receive a phone call, send out a text message, receive a text message, then all of those areas that I just mentioned are useless to me. When it comes to the aesthetic design, I am totally digging the look of my S20 Ultra. That beautiful, beautiful 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display. Got this aluminum frame all the way around. The glass back, which is gray, but that's covered up with my red deep brand skin. And I got a little deep brand skin protecting the glass area there that houses all of those cameras. I put some information right there. all the specs of the cameras. I'm not going to go through all of that. Go check out the other videos that are up for you to go watch. Picture samples, video samples, it's there. So please go watch those vids. I'm only going to cover a little bit here. I just want to put it out there, man, that these cameras, no matter what camera I'm using, whether it's the ultra wide, regular wide, telephoto, yeah, I'm not doing that 100 times zoom. Now, it's fun to play with, but it's not something that I'm really going to utilize. And 8K video is not something that I'm going to utilize as well. But overall, the experience has been amazing with the cameras, and just loving the design, just loving the way that Samsung put this together. All right, and we're going to go the opposite direction. .4K vid, and I'm going to take a lot of pictures too. Totally digging it out here, man. It's just gorgeous out here. Trains rolling on by. Listen to the sounds and check out the sights. Portland, Oregon. All right. Let me know what the stabilization is like while I'm holding my S20 Ultra in my right hand. Women making history in Portland. Yeah, I like that. That is really, really sweet to look at. So yeah, different route. And I have to remember there's a Mickey D's over here. I think I'm gonna go over there and see if it's open at this hour, so I can pick up coffee here every once in a while. There's a Starbucks right there. It looks good. It looks good, even though my windshield is a little bit dirty. But all right, I'm gonna go back to regular wide. Here we are, and we're almost to my new location. Quick video test, just a sample of what it looks like in regular wide and now ultra wide. It's a huge difference, man. I am totally digging the ultra wide. Back to regular wide, and now ultra wide. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. This is the 12 gig of RAM, 128 gigs of storage with expandable memory. and we have the Samsung One UI 2.0 over the top of Android 10. Everything is well optimized. Everything. Performance for me has been amazing, and hopefully it's been the same for you. Whether I'm going into my Google feed, I'm just scrolling through right now at 120 hertz. And it doesn't matter if it's at 60 hertz. It's still a very smooth, very well optimized device. I wanted to give you a sample of what my experience has been like with the facial recognition and fingerprint reader on my S20 Ultra. Now, I did have the S10 Plus and the Note 10 Plus. And as far as the fingerprint readers on both of those devices, a couple hit and misses here and there, but not a deal breaker. Facial recognition worked great. But everything seems to work even better on my S20 Ultra. So I'm going to tap on the display, fingerprint reader, and I'm in just like that. Pretty quick, pretty simple. Man, it's really just flawless. Look at that. And fast. As far as the facial recognition, just like that. Bam, just like that. Bam, just like that. And I'll do it again. Go ahead and set the device down. We'll pick it up, look at it, and just like that. And I'm telling you, that's been my experience with my S20 Ultra when it comes to the facial recognition and that fingerprint reader. I wanted to go over to battery life, and I'm going to show you just a bunch of different random screenshots. I could probably let me zoom in. Okay, so on this day, March 24th, I had 28%. Let me get right down here. I don't know if that's if you can see that, if that's a little clearer. So it's 28%. March 24th, 7 hours, 27 minutes screen on time. 7 hours, 32 minutes. March 21st, 29% left. Here, almost 6 hours screen on time with 26% on March 20th. I could have probably hit 6.5 hours that day. 7 hours, 15 minutes, 14% March 18th. 12% March 11th. 8 hours, 25 minutes. That is just amazing battery life. So, and that's been basically 6, 7, 8 hours. So basically about 7 hours screen on time is the average. So maybe this isn't the best way to show you how beautiful the dynamic AMOLED display on the S20 Ultra really is. I got my LG V20 about 4 inches away from this beautiful AMOLED display on the Ultra. Kind of an odd way to shoot video from one smartphone to another, and it doesn't give it any justice. But I will tell you this, man. Watching movies and video, simply amazing. Vivid, sharp, punchy colors. It's what I expect from a flagship smartphone like the S20 Ultra. Gaming on the S20 Ultra? Are you kidding me? It's phenomenally smooth. There is a lot going on underneath the hood to give you the best experience that you can have if you are a gamer. Oh man, who am I kidding? I'm not a gamer. We're going to go over to my Power Amp music player and let's play some music all the way up. That sounds good, huh? The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, my S20 Ultra, a phenomenal, beautiful looking device. Totally digging the design. It's a phone. It works. Phone calls, messaging, it's all there. It's a performer, a lot of power underneath the hood. Able to get everything and then some done that I need to get done. And I'm telling you, man, there is no regrets that I traded in my Note 10 Plus for the S20 Ultra. Not at all. I'd do it all over again. Typically, I have a case on, but in this video, I took it off so you can just check out all the beauty. Check out that D brand skin. Screen protector, I'll leave a link down below in the description area. It's a film screen protector, but it's been on here for over a couple weeks, and I'm going to tell you something, man. It's the best screen protector that I brought in. I brought in a couple other good ones, but this is my favorite one, so I'm going to leave a link down below for this one. It's case-friendly. Cameras, wow, I love that look. Utilizing most of everything. I don't really get into that 8K video and that 100 times zoom. Yeah, it's fun, but it's not anything practical. But as far as the other cameras, when taking pics and shooting video for what I expect and what I want out of those cameras, I'm getting. And at the end of the day, that's what's important for me. And that's what should be important for you. For what you've paid for, hopefully you're getting, and whether it's this device or another device. Another smartphone from a different company. So yeah, all the boxes are checked for what I want on my S20 Ultra. Just the software experience, the functionality, the battery life, man, the display, the speakers. That's it, man. I'm done. Thanks for watching. And to you new subscribers, welcome to Team My Project 13. There's a lot of great people here, a great team. You are welcomed. God bless, peace. I am out.